How to withdraw and cash out to bank account in Phantom Wallet. Now directly it's not possible as Phantom Wallet is a blockchain wallet and all the assets here are crypto. That means no connection with any kind of bank account. So we need to transfer our assets to some exchange that let us sell that for fiat currency. So open up Binance or any other third-party crypto exchange platform and then click on the assets on the bottom right and then click on deposit. Now you just need to select the asset that you have in your Phantom wallet. So let's go with Solana as an example, and then you just need to select the Solana as your network. Then copy your deposit address and go back into your Phantom wallet. Click on send and then select Solana and allow paste. Once you have pasted the wallet address, click on next on the bottom, enter the amount how much SOL you have. Always go with the smaller amount first of all and then go with the larger amount. Anyways, once you have received the Solana in your Phantom wallet, either you can directly withdraw it into your bank account by going into the trade and then click on buy or sell and then select the sell option and simply search for the crypto. In this case it is Solana, so select that. In this case I don't have Solana, but once you have selected Solana you just need to click on pay with bank transfer. Once you have selected the bank transfer, make sure to proceed with the further steps like entering your bank account details. Once you do so, you will going to receive your money into your bank account. So I know this is an indirect way, but this is what you have to do in order to withdraw and cash out to bank account.